Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable telemetry and data collection in Windows using the task scheduler. Telemetry is Microsoft's way of collecting usage and diagnostic data from your PC. While it's intended to help improve Windows, some users prefer to turn it off for privacy reasons. Let's jump straight in. First, press the Windows key and type Task Scheduler, then click to open it. Once you're inside Task Scheduler, on the left panel, expand the folder that says Task Scheduler Library. Now expand Microsoft, then expand Windows, and look for a folder called Customer Experience Improvement Program. Click on it, and in the center of the window, you will see tasks like Consolidator and USBCeip. Next, still under the Windows folder, look for Application Experience. Inside that, disable tasks like Program Data Update, then go to the O2CHK folder and disable Proxy. After that, open Disk Diagnostic folder and disable Microsoft Windows Disk Diagnostic Data Collector. Each of these tasks contribute to background data gathering. Disabling them gives you more control over what your system shares. Now, just to be safe, restart your PC to make sure all changes take effect. And that's it. You have now disabled several telemetry and data collection tasks using Task Scheduler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.